Is your TP-Link router's Wi-Fi not working? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the connection. Ensure the router is plugged in and the power light is on. Then check that the router and modem are properly connected and that the modem is plugged into the router's WAN or internet port. You can also try connecting your computer directly to the modem to check the connection. Method 2. Restart the router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router and the connected device. Unplug both the router and modem, wait a minute, and then plug the router back in first. Wait about 2 minutes for the router to get a solid power connection. Method 3. Check the wireless signal. If the signal is weak, move the router closer to your device. You can also try adjusting the router's antennas to a 45-degree angle or straight out parallel to the floor. Method 4. Change the wireless channel. The next thing you can do is change the router's wireless channel to reduce interference from other networks. To do so, visit this website and log in with your TP-Link ID and password. Next, go to Wireless or navigate to Advanced, then Wireless, then select Wireless Settings. Check the checkbox for 2.4 GHz to enable. Then change channel and channel width, then click Save. Then enable 5 GHz and change channel and channel width and then click Save. For 5 GHz, you can use channel in band 4, which is channel 149-165 if your router supports it. You may need to configure the settings several times and check what works for you. Method 5. Check firmware update. Open this link on a web browser and log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. When the latest firmware is available for your router, the upgrade icon should display in the top right corner of the page. Click on the icon. Alternatively, you can go to Advanced, then select System, then Firmware Update. Next, click on the Check for Upgrades option. If there is a new firmware, click on Upgrade. Then wait for some time and then reboot. Now check if the issue is fixed. If not, then move on to the next solutions. Method 6. Check your firewall and antivirus software. Firewalls and antivirus programs installed on your device can sometimes block access to your router. So you can try temporarily disabling them. Here is how to disable firewall from your Windows PC. Type Windows Firewall in the search box and select the top option. Select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on the radio buttons to turn off Windows Defender Firewall Not Recommended option. Do this for both private network settings and public network settings. Once done, click on the OK button for the changes to take place. Method 7. Reset the router. Next, you can reset the router. Press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for 6 to 10 seconds while the device is running. This will restore the router's factory settings, so you will need to reconfigure it. Method 8. Contact TP-Link support. If the issue persists, contact TP-Link technical support with your router's model number, hardware version, and firmware version for further assistance. And there you have it, the way to fix the issue when the TP-Link router's Wi-Fi is not working. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.